So welcome to Rani's channel, and today's we're going to make mermaid pen. So guys, first I took my pen and I took a blue tape because I don't have light green. Okay, because that the tail of a mermaid is that light green, so I don't have like that tape. So I'm using blue. If you have like that, you can use it. Okay, it's not a problem. So now for the below portion, I'm sticking that one in my pen. So let us stick it. And also guys, I want to tell you that I have made a previous video also on homemade mermaid pen, but in that I used a little bit of other idea. If you haven't seen that video, you can check it out. The link is in the description box. Okay, and so you can see I'm done with the blue tape. Just need to do a little bit of more. Till then, you guys like this video, share with the friends and families, subscribe my channel, press the bell icon, and also comment your suggestions or anything about this video. And also guys, after 1,000 subscribers, I will be doing my facial video, and now it is October. I mean after October 31st October 2021. It is October 12 and I haven't got 900, then how will I get 1000 by 31st October? If I don't get, then it will be very hard for a special video. Okay, so you can see I'm done with the blue color, and now it's time for the pink, because in the above portion it's pink only. Okay, so let us take that color also. And I was saying that after 1 lakh subscribers I will be doing my Q&A part 2 with face reveal. If you haven't seen my Q&A part 1, you can check it out. The link is in the description box. And after 1 million subscribers, I'll be doing a video on how I did my videos. So guys, I've covered I've sticked the pink color in my pen, and the pen cap also we have to apply pink tape. And also want to tell you that I have created a playlist. If you haven't seen them, you can check them out. The links are in the description box. So guys, I have committed that one also. So to make the tail, so for that you have to take a card sheet or a cardboard and make like this. I have done. It's wrong, so I will do like that, and then cut a little piece of cut the piece. Okay, a little bit of you have to take a little bit of like the little bit of more space and then cut. Okay, so I'm cutting it, and for cutting it we need scissors, and so homemade scissors link is in the description box. You can check it out. So guys, I've cut the tails, and now it's time to cover it with the blue tape. Okay, so let us cover. So after covering, you have to stick the both pieces together, and then you have to take 2 pieces of cello tape, and you have to stick them at the top of the pen. One tape have to be from the front and another from the back one. Okay, so let us continue guys. And also I hope that my mermaid pen will look awesome, and it's in my hand only when I editing the video. It's awesome. I love that. The first that I made from that also it's much better. So it's ready guys, you can see it on the screen, and so let us check now. So I've bought a copy with me, and so I will just open it. I opened it also, and now let us write something for checking it that it looks like how it looks. Okay, so let us open, and so I'm writing also, you can see. So let me see. So I'm writing thanks for watching, and thanks for watching, and today I made a mermaid pen. I'm gonna write that one out. Okay, it's good. So guys, you could see it's working also. It's looking awesome also. So as I told you, it's ready only. So thanks for watching. Thanks for help and support. Please subscribe, like, share, and comment. You haven't seen these videos? Why? I think you haven't checked out my channel, but no problem, you can check them now. These 2 videos, go check now. Bye.